Yeah, hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Academy. All right, so today guys, let us try and fix this charge port. So the phone app issue of disconnection. So the charging is disconnecting. So uh, and after inspecting the phone, so was found that the charge port has been the joint has been open, so you can see the joint. All right, so we have to change it with another new one. Okay, so we want to learn the process of changing a charging port, a good and normal step. All right, so first I will apply my flux paste. Okay, so uh, I'm going to apply the flux paste to the base of the charging port and the 5 pin. So I will apply it to the base, so and also to the 5 pin. Okay, and the base. All right, so now I'm working on 360 350, the heat 350, and the airflow is 50. So that's good for changing the charge port without damage. All right, so I'm trying to hit it. So if you are facing issue on changing the charge ports, so this video is good for you. Okay, so just follow the steps. So I will put the soda paste upon the surface. All right, so I will dress it with my soda iron. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Then I will apply my soda wick. Very good. So after then I will clean it. So cleaning it, you have to be applying cleanliness. So I have to clean it. Then I will put the new charge port to it. Okay, that's good. So I've put the charge port to it. All right, so I will apply my flux paste around it and also the soda paste. Okay, that's good. So that the soldering will be flexible. So then I will apply the lead, soda lead. So to tack the base, very important, you have to tack that base very well. So you have to tack it so that it will be strong. It will be strong. Okay, so you have to tack it very well. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Good, that's good. So you have to tack that base very well. All right, so after then uh, you will clean it. Then remain the 5 pin. So I will put the block paste and also the soda paste. Then I will use my soda iron to solder it. So make sure you solder it very well. So very important. So you have to solder it very well, the 5 pin. So you have to solder it very well. All right, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, so you have to solder it very well. You have to solder it very well. So make sure that your job is clean. All right, so I have cleaned it. All right, uh, so I'm trying to solder it very well, so because it's very important. So those pins are the one responsible for data transfer and the charging voltage. That's fibers. So now so I'm going to work on that connection. So I have to secure it. So that's what I'm doing, so that the charging port will last long. It will last long. So that's what I did. All right, okay, so I'm fixing into the phone. All right, so you can ask me that why you did not test it before fixing to the phone. Yes, that's normal step, but I believe in the work I did. So I believe in it. So that's you have to be confident in your work. You have to, because I know that that's the normal principle, except another problem is coming elsewhere. So because the charging port was fixed very well. Okay, so that's why I couple the phone direct. All right, so without hesitating. So uh, that's why I copy it. Okay, so that's good. That's good. All right, so now I will try and insert my charger to confirm. Okay. All right, so good. The phone is charging. Phone is charging. Right, so you have to test when you change the charge port. Make sure you test it when the phone is off and on. That's the normal way of testing the charge port after you change the charge port. Okay, so I want to confirm if it's charging when the phone is on. So that's good. That's good. So the phone is charging, so I can see the charging logo. Yes, so that's the charging logo. So the phone is charging. Sorry, I have to show you the amps reading. So it's taking 1.4. So my camera did not capture that. So welcome to Easy Tech. If you love this video, try to click like, and if you are new to this account, follow us for more knowledge